Well, none of that went according to plan. Let's see how we can fix that. I'd like to put the split wood from that tree here so I could see how much that tree actually produced, or what I had from that tree, what that produced. So I'm going to try to straighten this up, reinforce this a little bit, and then move these pallets. And then this is going to be where I put all the pieces from the tree across the road. So we'll do that now. I'm just going to screw this pallet down here. There we go. Well, none of that went according to plan. Let's see how we can fix that. Now, because all this wood is pushing on this side, I can't just move it back. I have to unload a little bit of this wood, set this right, and then put that wood back on it. So that's what we'll do now. Let's see if I can slide this whole thing over to where it used to be. Well, that's where it's going to stay. Busted one can serve as a barrier forever on this side. So this is one full cord of wood when this area gets filled up. So let's go see how much is in the trailer that I have. Never forget you're on a hill. I just did. Woohoo! Pushing me. The next thing we're going to do is take all of these pieces of wood and put them over here. So we'll get stacking now. My oldest is convincing my youngest to go up and down these hills. He hasn't done this yet. So this bit of firewood is 1/3 of a cord. It's one row at 8 feet long and 4 feet high. You need 3 of these to make up one full cord, which is 4 feet wide by 4 feet tall by 8 feet wide. Here in Pennsylvania, this is probably about $125 just sitting right here. And this is what's left in the trailer. Just a little bit. We'll probably start that second row today. And there we go. All of that wood is now stacked here neatly, ready to dry. Now I know you don't have to stack wood like that. You can just let it in a pile and it will dry. And not any faster or slower as it's stacked. About the same rate, I believe, but I only stack it because we do have neighbors and I don't have a lot of space just to have big piles of wood stacked up and laying. So it looks a little better, creates a natural fence between us and the neighbors. So it's a win-win. And would it be easier just to come out here and dump it? Absolutely, but I think it looks a little nicer and looks a little neater, so that's why I choose to stack it. Plus, it lets me know exactly how much I'm burning per year. But like I said, one of those blocks is a full cord, so if I go through 2 of them, I burn up 2 cords. Gives me an idea of how much I have to prepare for every year. So let's take the trailer up and it's time for dinner. Made 18 pieces of wood. for you guys, this is just another clip, but for me, it's about 2 weeks since I last was out here splitting logs. I actually had a Septoplasty done where they corrected my deviated septum and removed polyps and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I've been actually on the couch for a couple of days, but time to get back at this. All right, so this is a big boy. This is a big one. I'd say it's at least 16, 17 inches on the inside. I mean, excluding the bark. Even though I had my nose done, I'm still very much out of breath, like when I couldn't breathe out of my nose. So we'll see how this one does. This might be the last one for the day. Wow. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. I don't know what it is, if it's post-surgery or what, too much time off, but I'm gassed. Thanks for watching this episode, and if you want to see more of stacking wood and cutting things by hand, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the oaks.